NoMoreNoobie here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube subscribe link which will help ask viewers if they want to subscribe to your channel. And you can use it on your YouTube channel itself or across your social media platforms as well. So what this essentially is a link that directs people to your channel, but also has a pop-up screen like this that asks them, do they want to subscribe to your channel? So straight away you can see how powerful this is, because your viewers are being asked straight away, do they want to subscribe? And it's a win-win situation even if they put cancel, because if they click on cancel, they're still going to go through to your channel and they're still going to see your videos, and they'll have it in their head that there is the option of subscribing, and so they may click the button elsewhere. If they click subscribe, obviously that's one more subscriber, and well worth doing this exercise, which only takes a couple of minutes. Obviously I can't subscribe to myself, so it's blocking me in this example, so I'm just going to click OK. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this, and afterwards I'll show you where you can paste the link on YouTube as well. And you can actually do this on your mobile as well. You just need to go to your homepage and then click on the three dots and get your copy of your unique channel address, which I'm going to show you in a second on here. So once you've got that address, you can paste it somewhere and then add the details and then copy it from there. So hopefully it will make sense as you follow along on this procedure here. So I'm on a laptop. I'm just going to go up to the top where my channel address is, and we'll show you how to add some extra details which will add on the subscribe element of the link. Okay, so at the top we have a jumbled up mixture of letters and numbers, and it looks something like this. But if you've got a custom URL, then it will look like this with your channel name. But we're going to do it on a standard URL number. But do check out the description if you want to learn how to make a custom URL. It works exactly the same. So I'm going to show you on this, which is just clicking at the end and you're adding in this text. I'm going to put the text in the description as well, so you can copy it from there. But it's pretty much !sub_ confirmation equals 1. So once you've typed that in, what you want to do is highlight the whole of the address and copy it. Okay, and then that will allow us to then paste that into different pages wherever we want it to be pasted. Okay, so we're going to go to copy. Okay, and then once we've got that we can then just add it. So places that you might want to add it, you might want to add it onto the description of every video. Okay, you might also want to add it to your about page, and that's how we get onto the about page, is to go into our customized channel, basic info, and then this is my about page. Now I am going to do a video on how to improve your about page because mine is awful and I need to adjust it. So what I'm going to do is quickly type in some information. So please do consider subscribing to my channel using this link. Okay, so you can put anything like you want, and then literally you just paste that link that we just copied into that place. Okay, and it's as easy as that. Once you have saved it or published that page, then it's sat there ready, and anyone who clicks on it will then be directed to your channel and be able to be offered that option to subscribe. Okay, so I've actually got too much text in here. I'm just going to delete this bit here just so I can publish it. And then once it's published, that is that. So you can use this in your Twitter, Instagram, or your social medias, and it will direct people to your account, and it will direct them directly to your YouTube channel and give them the option of subscribing, which is super powerful. So do go ahead and add it to your video descriptions and your about page and any of your social medias to help encourage people to subscribe to your channel. And if you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And do check out the videos on screen now to get more value out of growing your channel with me. Thanks very much, and bye.